guys, I'm back. I'm back with episode 3. Now, today we're going to talk about one of the clean troubles of our life. Something that everybody needs to or wants to get rid of. Guess which one? I'm talking about stress. I'm talking about something that literally has been a difficult part of our work life. Should I say work life or should I say life as a whole? Have you ever wondered what is stress? Let me ask you, what causes your stress? You know, sometimes autonomy, influence, and sometimes a sense of meaning are the main reasons which are associated with lower stress. Sometimes when we need to find more joy, what we do is we look for another job. We look for another job which gives us a new team, a new senior, a new boss, a new peer, a new work environment, a new product to work with, a new industry, sometimes a new market. Does it really take out the stress? I don't think so. All that you do is sometimes you jump from the frying pan to the fire, or probably sometimes you just change the face of the stress. Sometimes you get good results, and for the time being, because you're new to a job, you feel happy, you have all the happiness around. You have fun the first 3 months, 2 months, 4 months, sometimes. It's a fun time. But does it really take away the stress? I'm going to tell you what is going to take away your stress. One simple thing. Take ownership. Which means all you have to do is to make sure when you take up a job or when you are into a job, all you have to do is to start thinking, start feeling like an entrepreneur. Start feeling as if it is your business. Everybody has a key responsibility area, a KRA. Everybody has their job descriptions. Everybody has got some environment to work on. Everybody has got some fenced area to move around to get their job done. All we need to do is to make sure we take all of that as our own, as if it's like my farmland wherein I am cultivating my produce. I'm cultivating my plants. The produce is going to be mine and mine alone. And trust me on this one, when you work on something on your own, when you take a lot of ownership, when you think it is your own, somewhere down the line, something is going to come back to you as if it was your own. It is important. It is very important for all of us to make sure that we take ownership, that we make ourselves accountable for what we do. I'm not talking about accountability right now, because accountability is a little different from what we are talking about. We are talking about being able to consider ourselves as the owner of the job at hand, as the work at hand, to own the result that is going to come by. And if I know that the job that I'm doing, the result that is going to come out of it is going to affect my growth, my life, my results, me, all that it means is I'm going to put in what it takes to make sure that it makes me feel happy. There goes out the stress. So episode 3 of 50 management principles in 60 days over 3 months is taking ownership. Take ownership.